I bet you're dying to know how to put text overlay on your interview subjects, and this is how you do it. So if I want to put text overlay on this interview right here with Mary Long, English teacher, what you need to do is you need to go across the top. You see stock media, my media, and then text. You click on text. I want mine actually to be a motion one. So I'm going to click on motion, and I'm going to see if any of these look right for a reporter. I like this one. So this one right here slides in over the person and then slides out. So that's the one I'm going to choose. But you have to put it on top of the track. And I only have a video 1 and a video 2. So I need to add a track. So I'm going to click this little plus mark. And I'm going to add a track. I'm adding video 3. And it goes above. Now I'm taking this motion, the descriptive left, and I'm dropping it right on top. Now I'm going to double click into it, and it's allowing me to edit it. So it says a longer description, and you'll see that's the top line. Sentence goes here, and that's the bottom one. So I'm going to write Mary Long, an English teacher. And then down below, I'm going to save changes. Now let's see what it looks like. Soon talking, and now it's me. And there's my overlay. And that's how you add text. And you can experiment with motion, static, call outs, any of these that you think works well for yours. But remember, it needs to be clean and professional looking for a broadcast.